What's poppin', Slimmbabiii? It's one of Slimmbabiii, and I'm back with another freaking banger. So before we get into this video, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that bell to be notified. Don't forget the way. Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 4K like Trey. But anywho, as you can see by the thumbnail, the title we're doing today, I really don't know what the title is, but I'm gonna tell y'all what's on my to-do list today. So I'm gonna be doing like a get ready with me type of vibe. I'm not gonna show y'all too much because I always do get ready with me, so y'all know how I get ready because I'm real basic with it. But today I'm gonna be doing a DIY photo shoot, getting y'all behind the scenes of how I take my pictures and things like that of that nature, because y'all know it's September. But you wouldn't know that if you didn't follow me on Instagram, so make sure you go do that, period. So that's the week I'm wearing for my birthday, period. Not too much, but I made these one pants for my birthday. I don't know how they're gonna turn out, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to put on, and then I'm gonna just get into the maintenance part of this because y'all, I gotta shave my legs. But they ain't hairy, but I'm gonna put some nail on that hoe. Yeah. And yeah, I'm gonna put some nail on my legs. Get the hair off because I don't like hair on my back. So then I gotta do my hair. I got a wig on. I don't know if it's ready to come out or what, but I got a wig on, so I gotta do my hair. I'm gonna show you how to fit. I'm gonna take a shower so I can get the hair off properly, because you're not supposed to just wipe that shit off. I don't know how people do that, but yeah, I'm gonna take a shower, all that good stuff, and get ready. And I'm not gonna show y'all in depth of how I do everything because I know y'all tired of me showing y'all the same thing over and over again, because my get ready with my process is real basic, you know what I'm saying? But let me show y'all the video. I got these pants right here from Forever. I was about to say Forever 21. Baby, these came from Fashion Nova. And it's some butterfly pants. If you know me, you know I love butterflies, like a bell bottom type of vibe. But I put these on the back because I'm big Virgo. The letters are a little off, like they look a little kindergartenish, like a kindergartner scrabble. But baby, it wasn't as easy as it looked. Okay, this is my first time using paint, first time trying something like this in reverse 2026 because yeah, I'm turning 26. I don't know why I say because the girls turn 26, so it's like that. I feel like I should have made the 26 more like spread out or something, because I feel like when I put them on, it just didn't look right. But I'm gonna make it work for a photo, and hopefully I can touch it up with a little bit of editing. But I don't have a shirt for it, so I'm just gonna put this long negligee. I don't know why I call it that, but that's what I call it. So I put this on, you know, Playboy Bunny vibes. So I put this on with these, and I'm also think I'm gonna take a couple photos like this, and then put some fishnets under this, and take some like Playboy Bunny edition type of vibe. I don't know, I'm trying to do something like that, and yeah. So let me get my room together and take a shower, and let's get this show on the road. So I'll probably come back to y'all when I do my hair, or I can show y'all how putting the nail on my legs, because I know some of y'all weirdos out there like to see that. And don't worry, I'm a weirdo too. Sisters, twins, all that good stuff. A little bit. But make sure y'all follow me on my social media. It's on the screen in the description down below. Stay connected with the kids. Stay connected with the... It's almost my birthday. It's almost my birthday. I'm too hype, period. But I'll be back. So this is the nail I use. This cocoa butter and vitamin E. Yeah, I love this one. So, the bathroom kind of small, so we gonna make it work. Boom! The moment we've been waiting. So don't come to me. That's why it's pulled back some today. Boom. You just rub it on me. Don't rub it in like lotion. Don't do it. Rub it on me like that. Probably let it sit for like 10 minutes after you put it on. But I find this way much quicker. A lot of girls don't like it. Decide. Scrub it on here. I gotta pull this down. So I'm not the big. And then make sure you get all the parts. You know, be like, cause you don't want to be missing some parts. Pull that up. Get it as high as you can. And don't put it on your hoo-ha. Because baby, recipe for disaster. But for the most part, other than that, that's how it's gonna look. Boom, look. Let me do the other leg for that, time to come out. And I'll be back. So while I'm waiting for the nail to dry, because it's all over my body. Yes, your girl's name. Don't tell nobody. But, this is the face wash I'm gonna be using. This is my ultimate favorite face wash. And some of these. And then I put some lip scrub on because, I don't know, I just like how I make my lips feel. And I will show y'all, but I don't know how I'm gonna do this with one hand. So, I just want to show y'all the products I was using. And yeah, I'll be back with y'all when I get out the shower. This is the before effect on my face. I already got out of the shower, got this little onesie on. I'm ready to get this process over with, just like a little bit. So I'm gonna do my face off camera. Y'all already should know what products I use and what I do for my face, because I do get ready with me a lot. If you want more in detail of how I do my face, put that in the comment section down below. And yes, my hair looks crazy, but we gonna get it together. But yeah, I'll be back when I'm done fixing my face. But first of all, I want to show y'all something. Hold on. I got me a package from Amazon, and I'm gonna show y'all what's in there. So somebody sent me these lashes from Amazon. I'll put the store like in the description or a picture on the screen, or you can take a screenshot. This is the store that sent it to me, and these are the lashes. I always want me some color strips, so y'all know we're going pink today, period. We're gonna be putting these on. And yeah, let's get into it. I just wanted to show y'all it because I was super excited. I always want some color lashes, but yeah, let me do this face. Okay, so this is the finished like makeup and hair look. Now I'm about to put my clothes on. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Like, my mirror a little drained on my neck, but I messed up when I put the I think it's red or whatever. I don't know what that is, but I put it right there, and I really did not honestly like it. But it is what it is. But I'm gonna give y'all the full effect. So now I'm gonna change my clothes, and but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like right here. Cause bitch, yeah, install by me. I'm getting a little better, like a little better at putting on wigs. But yeah, this is what I meant by the makeup. That little glitter part, I picked up the wrong color, but by the time I realized it was already on my face and there was nothing I could do. So what y'all think about the hair and face? I ain't got no makeup on, I just did the eye look, you know. But yeah, let me get my clothes on. So we back, period. Let me put this down too. So this is the finish. I know the shirt don't really go with the pants. For real, let me put it down so y'all can see. But this is just, I don't know, this is the vision I came up with. But the back is like this, and I'm going to kind of unsect them. And do that right there. Try to make it like a decent picture because I did mess up on the pants, so it's a little iffy. But underneath here, let me pull this up so you, y'all be messing up. So underneath here, this is where it gets real, okay? So let me make sure nothing's at. Okay, so underneath here is like, you know, I'm not gonna turn around, but Flavor Bunny vibes. I wish I had the ears, but I'm trying to crop me some ears in there, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna set y'all to the side and I'm going to get this photo shoot in the making, period. Like, I'm super excited, and these looks might not be the looks that y'all like, but maybe I like them. I do this every year, every couple days. I have photo shoots in one of my downstairs rooms. As you can see, nothing's on this wall, so you know, it's real cute, real simple, you know. But anywho, make sure you like this video up and comment down below what other videos y'all want to see from the kid, cause yeah, I'm gonna give y'all more than 3 action videos because it's more to me than that. So yeah, let's stay tuned and make sure y'all tell me happy birthday in the comment section below. And if you already did, thank you. Thank you. CashApp right there if you want to send me anything, but you don't have to. Yeah, period. And these are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing with it. I got these shoes from Play-Doh Closet. I'm not gonna cap to you. It was like $7 or $8. Yes, $7, $8. I was spending my motherfucking quad. But yeah, they're gonna go with this because they're clear. And I don't got no other like clear shoe, but it's gonna look cute on the picture. You know vibes. But yeah, let me set y'all up so I can get this on because your girl's on a tight timed schedule. I don't want to end this video because I know it's gonna be dope. Period. So let's get into it.
I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this. I want it to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it.
So now I put the pants on and I don't know how this is gonna turn out. The first look was I'm really not sure if I mastered the whole DIY photo shoot, but that's the best I can do for now. If it's not good, I'll probably have to take some more later. But yeah, this is just what I got so far. So right now I'm about to start a video on my other phone, which is right here, and try to like capture the back of the pants, if that makes sense. So pull this down some, then turn around, play with the hair, you know, so they can read, you know, and then give a little 1-2 like it. It probably won't look good right here, but once you get the editing, you know, chop, chop, snip, snip, it might look good. I really want to get one in slow-mo, so let me go real fast. Because yeah, I wish I had nails. Like, I wish I was one of them girls to get their nails done, but I'm just not one of them girls. Like, I'm just not one of them girls. So I put the timer on. I normally don't do flash, but I'm gonna try to flash out. But in reality, I don't think I really need the flash because this lighting is already like decent. So I'm trying to flash off, and I just got this timer on to pose and get a couple pictures in. Yeah, I don't know why I never smile. And I love that one pose with that's me.
Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do.
I was trying to give it, I wanted to give it 90 something. Let me get it because I'm not pleased. So I gotta put it. Hopefully, let me see. I got that case of no acetol. Got that case of. I have too much fun on my own leg. I like the way you do it right there, right there. But yeah, that's really all for this video. I'm gonna take a few more flicks and that's gonna be it. But make sure you like, comment, subscribe, click that button to be notified. Don't forget to win. Tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. Hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to 4K, 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 4K. Yeah. Y'all know I be too hype. Period. Make sure you tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Join the mafia, cause baby, we the best to do it. But yeah, comment down below what other videos I want to see from this kid. And if you said happy birthday, I really appreciate it. Thank you for being with me along this journey. And until next video, peace.